Hello, dear students. This is Mr. Chung, and here I'm going to tell you the second way that we can tell if two triangles are similar. Now, this is called side angle side similarity. And what it means is that you have to have, you find the corresponding sides of the two triangles. And if you have two pairs of corresponding sides of triangles with the same ratio, and then you have an angle between them that's equal, then the two triangles are similar. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, first off, let's just look at the most simple one, the angle. So right now there's a 70 degree on the original and 70 degree on the new triangle. So both have a 70 degree. Now, side angle side says that angle, you see how it's SAS and not SSA or ASS. Notice it's SAS because the angle needs to be between the two sides that we're looking at. Okay, so now we have two sides. Let's look at our original triangle. And this is our new. And let's pick the smaller sides. So between 15 and 21, which is smaller, well, that's the 15. And our new one, between 10 and 14, which is the smaller side, well, it's the 10. So those are going to be our corresponding sides. And then I can say, what's the bigger side? Well, the 21 and the 14 are bigger. And so now we just have to say are ratios of the corresponding sides equal? Well, let's check it out. 14 divided by 21. And what is that going to equal? Well, I could either divide it with a calculator or I could simplify it. So let's try simplifying. What number can we divide? What number goes into 14 and 21? Well, 14 divided by 7 would be 2, and 21 divided by 7 would be 3. So that would be 2/3. Okay. And also, if we did 14 divided by 21, that would be about 0.66 and repeating. Okay. Or that would be 0.66 repeating. So it would be about 0.67. Okay. And that was our magenta one. And then let's do the green. What's 10 divided by 15? Well, we could divide both top and bottom by 5 to simplify. And then we could get 2/3. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And that's going to equal 0.67, about 0.67. So yes, indeed, the two corresponding pairs have the same ratio. And you see that the ratios are the same. And if you use the calculator, you got the same answer. So that is side angle side similarity. Now here's a question. What if they gave you like the same numbers? Let's say there's two triangles. I'll make them a little easier to identify. And let's say that they gave you, what do we have? 15, 21, 10, and 14. $10, 14. Okay, let's say they give you those, right? And from our previous example, we already know that those corresponding sides are going to be have the same ratio. We already know that. But what if they said that this was 70 degrees and this was 70 degrees instead? Would this still follow side angle side similarity? Write down your answer of why you think It is or isn't. Pause the video. Okay, if you said that this would not be side angle side, then you're correct. Because the angle is not between the sides. You see, it only works if the 70 were over there. It only works if that equal angle is between the two sides we're looking at. So that's a very common mistake. Make sure you don't make that mistake. So this is not side angle side. Okay, over and out.